Did we change our outfit? I think
You're my friend.
Did we realize that we were wearing a boy outfit? That bunny, or that bear bunny outfit was kind of a boy outfit, so we changed. And we put on a cute
It's
little
learning time.
pink outfit. Oh,
Let's sing and
bless
play
you.
games. Bye-bye.
There. Yeah. We all fixed up now, aren't we? Are we playing with our toys, McKinley? Are we? Hey, what's this?
It's learning time.
Yeah. Look at all these fun toys we have to play with again.
Here, let's sing and play games.
Yeah. Hi. Hi, McKinley Rude. Mama loves you, little girl.
I see you.
Yeah. Here. What is all that? What is all that? Huh? You got a smile in there for Mama? Do you? Only 1 month old.
Do your ears hang low? Do they wobble to and fro? Can you move